Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday. I got a cough yesterday afternoon, and now I have like a frog in my throat. And then the teacher who I share like a space with sent me a message saying she has strep throat. So, hopefully I will not get strep throat. I really don't want strep throat. And I only get a sore throat at night, so I think it's nasal drain. But when I'm coughing, I'm like bringing up stuff, so I don't know what's going on. I wanted to go ice fishing, but I'm not sure that not feeling 100% is the time to go out and hang out on the ice. I just don't know that that's a good idea. Piece of hay. If you've never been in hay, you have no idea how badly a little tiny itty bitty piece of hay can itch. Itch beyond belief, I'm telling you. An amazing amount of itching. God forbid you get it in your underwear or your bra. And it's horrible. But, so I've got my seed starter started in the house. I haven't decided what all I'm starting yet. I do believe I'm going to start 2 sets. But I have tomatoes I want to start. And I have peppers I want to start. And I can always buy something from the school sale. I don't know that I have tomatoes. I think I bought tomatoes. I don't know where those are going to go. Oh my goodness, we're just screaming out there. Yeah, see, it's not productive right now. I'm so tired of being sick. Maybe if I wasn't burning my can blood off both ends. Everyone says, next year will be easier. I don't know. I suppose, though, it's easier than it was in the fall. I don't see why it wouldn't get easier. Especially as I get more and more lesson plans developed and figured out. There'll be less jumping through hoops. Trying to figure out stuff, you know. So, we will see. We will see. So, but we have a meeting on the 21st about some training to be a master teacher. Of course, I wouldn't be a master teacher for like 6 or 7 years. But it's a good program to get because they've got some grants that you can use for like classroom supplies. Which, even though it's not money I get in my pocket, it's money that I spend on the classroom that I'm not taking out of my pocket. Because as it is, I buy stuff all the time. I buy stuff all the time, don't I, honey bunny? So yes, you do. I mean, I've got some really nice lesson plans. And I will know this summer when I have more time to just sit down and plan things and think things through. And I tried to make sure I wrote down on the calendar which lesson plans I did which week. Which ones were really good. What grades I used them in so I don't repeat. My bridge building is going to have to take a back seat now. Because my Friday kids will miss an entire... It's crazy how much they're going to miss. So I have them this week. Then I don't see them for 3 weeks. Then I have them 1 day, 1 hour. Then they miss the next Friday. So it's a little bit, and it's not fair for them not to be part of the contest just because we don't have school on Friday. Yeah. I think our half days should be like rotated. Because I know the music teacher had to do that too before the Christmas program. Because of Thanksgiving and stuff, she had to have special like classes in between her other classes to try and catch those kids up because they'd miss so much with the half-day Fridays. It's funny, I seem to remember that it used to be Mondays we got off from school. And now it's not Mondays, it's Fridays. I don't know. Hey, you didn't eat all that. What's your big deal? What's the problem? What? What's going on? Huh? You can have the melon when you're done. When you're done, yeah. Don't look at me with sad eyes. Don't look at me like that. Hey. We gotta end on a good note, remember? No, that's not a good note. Kicking me is not a good note. That's not a good note. Oh, I know. Hey. Put your foot in the milk bucket. You don't want your foot in the milk bucket. Fatty. Ooh. You're going to be so sad this summer when I'm not giving a bunch of grain. You will not need it in the summer. Yes, and then my grain bill will go down. If I were finishing you to eat you, you would need grain. But I'm not eating you. No. Hang on. Oh my goodness. All right, let me give you some melon here. Some cucumber. You like some cucumber? Is this what you want? It's the turkey. It's Thomas. Here, with this. Oh, you do, huh? Those pointy horns. That feel good? That feel good? Mm-hmm. Should we go find your baby? Yeah, come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, Mama. In you go. chickens over there. You should be used to the chickens. Come on, Mommy. Up you go. Up you go. Good girl. Good girl. That's my girl. Oh, with the waggly tail. Oh. Just sweet girl. Hey, Bonnie and Clyde, would you like this? Oh yeah, they like that soap, don't they? Please don't crow. It's so weird how the roosters will like sit there and just watch the females eat. Make sure that they eat first. A good rooster will. Not all roosters. Good. Oh, not all roosters are good roosters. Wow, you are full of milk, Mama. What's up? What's up with that? Huh? Did I my glasses out? I did. That's good. I'm gonna trim your toenails today. I'm not gonna take a video of that because sometimes there's cussing involved. Most of the time, not with her. We'll do the babies when we take videos of that. But I already did them this month. I like the coffee. So a little water makes me want to go potty. Chickens are doing quiet. I didn't say that out loud, but I did. It's going to start crowing now. Yeah, it's like the cold air makes me cough. Go out and give the horses more hay. I gave them more water. It's getting warmer. I don't like to put him in a stall because of Ghost's asthma. He can get out of the... He can go out and get fresh air unless he's locked in the stall. And no matter how much you clean a stall, there's still the ammonia smell once they start peeing. I mean, you could strip it and you could put a bunch of chemicals down. I try not to use chemicals. Yesterday when I had to run to Walmart to get some kale for the Italian wedding soup I made for dinner last night, and I went through the gardening section, and a 25-pound bag of Scott's Grain and Grow or Weed and Feed or whatever it's called that you put on your yard was $68. Holy shit. Glad I don't use that. Who knows, maybe with the price of that stuff being so expensive, less people will use it, and our lakes and streams won't be as polluted this summer. But you know, that's where that all goes. You have like lakefront property. Like there's this, we go fishing at Twin Lakes, and we used to drive by there all the time too. It's right by the highway, you can see it. And supposedly there's a lot of fish in it, and we've caught a couple bass, and we had a big pike follow the lure to the boat, but didn't take it. But somebody bought one of the houses that's there. And I don't know if they live downstate in the winter and come up here in the summer or whatever they do. But they have one of those. It used to be just a normal house. But they've done that whole, I have a golf course lawn look going for them. And now that part of the lake in front of their house, the water's getting all overgrown with algae and stuff. Because it's sits way up, and it's got a really nice slope down to the, like some of them, a couple of the other houses that are there, they've terraced it. That's how much of a slope that there is. So, where do you think that fertilizer goes? Right into the lake. And then you wonder, why are we getting all this toxic green algae? We never used to get algae this thick. Well, you're fertilizing it. You're feeding it. Just like you're feeding your grass, now you're feeding your... And that's going to choke out certain species of fish. Okay. You know, they don't care. As long as they have that. I look like I'm super rich because this is the type of lawn I have. People are annoying. I don't like people very much for the most part. Just find them absolutely disgusting. Oh man, I had the hoof pick yesterday and I don't know what I did with it. It was my favorite one. It's my favorite hoof pick. She can tell I'm coming over here to look at her feet. All right, guys, I gotta go because she's gonna kick this off. I'll talk to you later. Bye.